that him right there? Is that him with no shirt on?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, Charles! Charles, come outside! Oh, no.
Did he throw it at you?
What's going on, bro?
Yeah,
If you want to arrest me,
Hey!
arrest me, bro.
Hey!
Arrest me then, bro.
Calm down. We just want to talk.
Arrest me then,
Get
bro.
off,
Calm down.
Arrest me then, bro.
Hensley, get off the
Arrest
steps.
me then, bro.
Get off the steps.
Look, man.
I'm talking to the military, bro.
Look, would you get down the steps and calm down?
Okay,
Get down.
Arrest
come on.
me. You gonna pull that bullet. If you gonna be honest, pull it.
Come
if you
on.
gonna kill a black man,
Why don't you
pull
come
it.
down here and tell us what the problem is?
Listen to what I'm saying to you. If you're not gonna listen to what I'm saying to you, and you're gonna listen to that radio, then be honest. Be honest with yourself. Before you tell him, before you hop on that radio, before you talk to him, see how he listens to him? He's not being honest with himself. I'm not drunk. I'm telling you the truth.
Well, then get out here and
All right,
talk.
then be out here. If you gonna kill me, kill me.
Somebody wanna kill you, get down
I
here,
tell
man.
you the truth. I tell you the truth. I
Nobody
joined the
wanna-
military.
Okay, great.
I
Get down
joined
here.
it.
Look, man, there ain't no
Right,
reason to
nigga.
get out
If
here.
you
Come
gonna
down
shoot
here.
me, shoot
Down
me,
here.
nigga. Kill me then, nigga. Kill me then, nigga. Because he's being disrespectful. I'm talking to y'all.
Yeah.
I'm not a 13,
Down
sir.
here now.
I'm
Come
not a
down.
13, sir. I'm talking to him, sir. You're being disrespectful.
Come on.
Excuse me, sir. Can I
step
talk
down
to
here?
him?
Yeah,
Can I be this? Can I
down
be
here so we can
respectful?
talk.
Come down.
Get down
Yeah,
here. Get down here
he's
so we
being
can talk.
disrespectful, sir. You came up honest.
13?
He's being disrespectful, sir. I'm trying to be honest. I'm not a 13, sir. I'm not a 13, sir. I'm not a 13, sir. Can you tell
So
him?
he's a 13?
Can you tell the nigga with the
Get
mask?
down here so we
I'm
can
not.
talk.
I'll get on my knees. I'm not. Listen to me.
down here so we can
You
talk.
touching me? If you touch me, I'm calling the police.
relax.
No, I'm not. Don't
Relax,
touch me,
man.
bro. Don't touch me,
Relax.
bro. I'm a demon.
Relax.
Kill me. Kill me.
Relax.
Kill me then. Show my sons you gonna kill me. 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 Show me. Show me, nigga. Show me, man, bro. See how I take company, y'all gonna tell me? Tell me. Look at me. Look me in my eyes.
Put
Look
your
me in my
arms
eyes.
behind your back.
Look me in my eyes.
Put your arms behind
Look
your
me
back.
in my eyes. Tell my
Put your arms
sergeant
behind
how
your
you gonna
back.
kill me. Tell my sergeant. Tell my sergeant, bro. Tell my sergeant, bro. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Kill me. Kill me. Kill me. Kill me, bro.
Set cuffs on him already.
Kill me. I never breathe.
Hang on. Is he on his back? Yes.
Okay.
Get this set. Got him. Roll him on this.
Which way you need him to go?
To the.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Stop, dude. Relax. Set a cuff.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm arrested.
Don't breathe his
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There's one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Got it.
Yes, sir. I can't breathe. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Listen.
I can't breathe, sir.
Listen.
Yes,
Listen
sir.
to me.
I apologize, sir.
Okay.
I really
Now
can't
listen.
breathe.
Hey,
Relax.
I need you to listen.
apologize. Please,
I need you to
sir.
listen.
I really can't breathe.
It's over.
I apologize,
Okay,
sir.
we're gonna roll you. Okay.
Can you please just tell me? I won't stand
roll
up.
us like-
I won't do nothing.
And we're gonna roll you.
Knees up to your
Stand
chest.
up.
Yes, sir.
Sit up. Put your
Yes,
knees-
sir.
Put your knees to your chest.
Yes, sir.
Now
Okay.
stand up.
I can't breathe, sir. I really apologize. I really can't breathe. It's okay, sir. They lied on me. If you call the police, it's okay. You check my record. I have
Stay
disorderly
back.
conduct.
Stay back.
It's okay. Hey, Sergeant. Sergeant, tell them the truth. Tell them the truth, Sergeant. Tell them how they lied on me. I apologize, sir. You was right. I want no problems. See how my sergeant is? I'm in the military, sir. I'm not trying to cause no problems. Me and my baby mother's got a tour. I apologize to you. If you were right, I don't want no problems. Check my pockets. I have nothing on me, sir. I ain't
You injured anywhere, man?
No, sir.
All right, have a seat.
I couldn't breathe. I'm not injuring you.
I sit in there.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Yes, sir. You got it? Yep. Okay. Can I get my phone to call my mother, please? Please, sir.